In this video, I will show you how you can share your files using Dropbox. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is to go to dropbox.com and you're going to click on sign up. You can create your account using Google, your Apple account as well, or just your email. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I think it's just easier to create an account using Google, so I'm just doing that right now with my email. Click on agree and sign up. Dropbox is going to show you the different plans that they have, including Plus, Professional, and Standard. For today's video, I'm just going to use the Dropbox basic plan, which is going to allow me to share around 2 gigabytes of information or data. So I'm going to click right here at the bottom. And now you simply have to answer some of the questions that Dropbox is asking you. So after you create your account, this is going to be the main dashboard that you're going to see. You have different options. You can drop anything here and immediately share it, or if you want to keep things organized, and this is actually what I recommend, we're going to click right here to create a folder. So I'm going to give this folder a name. So let's say video number 1, and then I'm going to click on create. Now that I have my folder ready, all that I have to do is to click on upload and find the files or any images or videos that I want to add to my folder. I'm going to go ahead and add this video, and I'm just going to give it a couple of minutes until the video finishes uploading. So after your video completes the uploading process, you're going to go ahead and click on share. And here you have 3 different options. You can add people to this folder. So you can, for example, add a Gmail account and share your files through Gmail. So I'm just adding someone's email. You have the option to add a message, and now you simply have to click on share. Now another option you have is to generate a link. So simply click on copy link. Right here under manage is where you can select the permission level that this person is going to have. So if you only want the person to, with the link, to see the folder, or only people that are invited, of course you can edit the permissions. And now all you have to do is copy the link and paste it in someone else's chat or email. So once you send the link to someone, now they're able to click on the link and get access to your video, your data, or your images. And that's it. That's how easy you can share files using Dropbox. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!